Chef Chris, we're going to have a hot link sandwich, which we have a hot link, cheese, and a bread roll for sandwiches. First, we're going to butter it and give it a light coat of oil. And we got the butter on it. Well, now we will give it a light coat of oil. Not that much, but. And then we'll stick it in the air fryer, pop it open. And the air fryer's already been preheated. Stick it in there and let it go for a couple minutes. While the air fryer is frying up, getting the bun all good and ready, we're going to slice the wiener and cut it in a little opening there and slice it in half, and then we'll put some cheese in the center of it. So there we've got the cheese and the sausage just waiting for the bun to be done. The bun is done. So we'll take the bun out and we'll put the wiener sausage inside the air fryer. We've placed it in the air fryer, and now let's close it up and melt the cheese. And in the meantime, we'll take our bun and we'll put mayonnaise on it, yellow mustard, and barbecue sauce. Almost ready for the hot link sausage. We've got mayo, mustard, yellow mustard, and barbecue sauce. So it's ready to come out of the air fryer, and we're going to put it in the bun and see what we got. So there you go. There you have it. There's our hot link sandwich, courtesy of Chef Chris at the Alameda Repair Shop. These things are really good. You put that cheese in there, get it melted up, and oh, yummy. Okie doke. See you later, y'all.